This is the air intake tube taken off of my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300. And if you've been watching my videos, I've already upgraded this pipe to a tornado tuning version that's made of aluminum, so it's going to last longer, it's heat resistant, so it's going to keep the air colder, and it has a cool carbon fiber style which looks really good in the engine bay. However, let's say if I didn't want to go that route and I wanted something a little cheaper, there is a better solution than this, which is held together by clips. It's plastic, so it leaks a lot of air coming into the car, into the air intake. And let me show you, it's right over here. It's really cool. So this is the brand new air intake tube from Tornado Tuning that they supplied me. It looks really cool. So this is lightweight. It's one solid piece, so it's not going to leak in the air. It's made of fiberglass, and it has a cool carbon fiber overlay, and it's super glossy. So this in the car is definitely going to be an upgrade over the stock one, and it looks really cool. So for now, I'm going to take the other one off my car just so I can put this on and see how it looks. It should be pretty straightforward for the install. So here's the upgraded pipe, really easy to take off. Just pull this off and this off, and that's it. It comes off, and now let's put on the brand new carbon fiber one. Again, easy to install. I'm going to insert this end into the air intake. And then this end just connects onto this plastic piece where the air comes into the car. And just like that, it's installed. The only thing is there's a little hole right here that I could put a plastic screw to really hold this down, but to be honest, I think it's going to stay the way it is. It's not going to shift around anyways. So here it is, fully installed. How cool does that look? It's super slick. It has a nice carbon fiber weave pattern. It matches really well with the carbon fiber style air intake kit from Tornado Tuning. And of course I got a couple other installs here. So this is an aftermarket Tornado Tuning intercooler that's larger than the stock one. I got a turbocharged pipe underneath here from Tornado Tuning. But this pipe, it really ties everything together. I mean, that's gonna look cool at a car meet. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Damn, that looks awesome. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy this. I'll see you guys next time.